Have you noticed prices seem to creep up over time, like groceries, gas, or rent? That's inflation. But what exactly is inflation, and why does it matter so much for your money? In this video, we'll break it down simply so you can finally understand it. Inflation is the rate at which prices for goods and services rise over time. In other words, it means your money buys less than it used to. For example, if a cup of coffee cost $1 last year, but costs $1.05 today, that's a 5% inflation rate. It might not sound like much, but over time, inflation adds up, and it affects everything from food to housing to your paycheck. There are a few main causes of inflation. Demand pull inflation. When demand for goods and services is higher than supply. Think of holiday shopping when everyone wants the same products. Cost push inflation. When it costs more to make things, like higher wages or oil prices, businesses pass those costs on to consumers. Monetary inflation. When there's too much money in circulation compared to available goods. This often happens when central banks lower interest rates or increase money supply. Inflation matters because it directly impacts your daily life. Your purchasing power goes down, meaning the same money buys less. It affects savings and investments. Money sitting in a bank loses value if interest rates are lower than inflation. It influences wages, rents, and retirement planning, because your future costs could be much higher than today. Governments and central banks keep a close eye on inflation, since too much can cause chaos, but too little can also hurt economic growth. While you can't stop inflation, you can prepare for it. Investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or inflation-protected bonds can help your money grow faster than inflation. Keeping an emergency fund ensures rising costs don't catch you off guard. And most importantly, understanding inflation helps you make smarter financial decisions. Inflation is simply the rise of prices over time, but its impact touches every part of your financial life. The more you understand it, the better you can plan and protect your future. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about money and the economy.